We're heading out of the locker room and into the boardroom today, folks, because it's all about putting some spark in those PowerPoint slides. Picture this, you've got a big presentation coming up. Crowds in their seats, lights are on, and your slide is flat. No movement, no energy. So here's the game plan. You fire up PowerPoint, step onto the slide you want, and make sure your star player, text box, image, or shape is already on the floor. You click that object, you see the outline, and now it's in the starting lineup. Next move, you go straight to the top of the screen, hit that Animations tab, and suddenly the playbook opens up, entrance, emphasis, exit. You hover over fade, fly in, all those options, and PowerPoint gives you a live preview, like a warm-up before the real game. Don't see your perfect move? Drop down arrow, full gallery, and now you're calling the plays. You tweak effect options, change direction, adjust duration, faster break, slower build, whatever your flow needs. Start it on click, with previous, or after previous, so every element hits its cue. You smash that preview button, or run the slideshow from right there, and dial in the timing until it's money. Just like that, your slides stop sitting on the bench and start putting points on the board.